Frequently asked questions. How do I regain or claim my page not under my admin control? You can claim a page with proper documentation or a phone call. Go to the page, click the 3 dots button, and choose the Is This Your Business option. Facebook will verify you with either a phone call to the business phone number listed, an email, or proper documentation like a phone bill. If you don't get any response, report the page. How do I create my own catalog? Open Business Manager settings, select Product Catalogs, click Add New Product Catalog, and choose either Create a New Product Catalog or Request Access to Product Catalog. Then, fill out the remaining information fields. Decide whether you want to give people access to your catalog and/or pixel, or skip through and click OK. Select your new product catalog and choose Add Product Feed. Choose your feed name and currency. Then, see below for 2 more options under the upload type: scheduled recurring uploads or single upload. Finally, enter your feed details and click Upload. How do I contact influencers? You can search for influencers in many social media platforms such as Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, etc. When you find an influencer, don't just reach out and introduce yourself. Go a step further and ask them for an interview. You can do it over email, ask them to go out, or video conference. You can use Google Hangouts or Skype. Can I change my page name? If you want to change your page name, you can do it by clicking About on the left side of your page, then click Edit Page Info, then enter your new page name and click Save Changes. Finally, review your request and click Request Change. Can I change my Facebook page URL? Click About on the left side of your page, then click Page Info, then click Edit next to the username section. Enter a username, and if the username is available and follows the guidelines for custom usernames, click Create Username. Remember that you can't change the username or URL if you have changed it once. Do hashtags work? There is no way to search for a hashtag on Facebook in the search, only by clicking on it, but you can create a hashtag that identifies your brands and campaigns. Use it in all your platforms that can give you authenticity. How do I enable ratings and reviews? Click Settings above your page's cover photo, then click Reviews in the right column. Then click on Edit option and select Allow or Disable Reviews. How do I create a Facebook app? You'll need a Facebook developer account to get started. If you don't have one, upgrade your personal account to a Facebook developer account now. Choose Apps in the header navigation and select Add a new app or use the button below. Choose the platform you want to add. If your app is on multiple platforms, you'll be able to add them to your Facebook app later. Then, name your app and select Create New Facebook App ID. Are Facebook ads expensive? The exact cost associated with your ad being shown to someone is determined in the ad auction. In Facebook ads, you set your budget and bid. This means that you choose how much you want to spend. Facebook will never spend more than your max. Can I see who my fans are? One way is to log in as the page and then click on the outline of the people at the top of the page. You'll see the most recent likes for your page. Select See All to see a longer list of likes. The other way is to go to the right sidebar on your page, hover over the Page Likes area, and click See All from the pop-up box.